Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. My one Bitcoin challenge. How's it going? Am I moving forward? Are we seeing results? The main question is the Bitsgap grid trading bot working for me? The all-in-one trading platform for your Bitcoins and your cryptocurrencies. Now I've been with them for a while, and so far profits are showing and things are going decent. They have a trading bot, they have signals, they have arbitrage. But the main thing I'm using is the trading bots. They're compatible with over 25 different crypto exchanges, just giving you the opportunity to diversify your portfolio and split them between the different exchanges to spread your risk as well. From Binance to FTX, all the way to whichever one you might need. They have decent features. The trading terminal is brilliant. But listen, they have the main option if you're not sure, which is the demo account. So pause the video, use the link in the description, create yourself a demo account and test it out. And if it works for you, start from there and go further. I'm using the grid trading bot, and for me, it's a real success to date. They've been in the media, CoinGecko. Another great option is the moment you sign up, you got a 14-day free trial. So yes, you can test it, see if it works before you take a paid package. So now, let's see what's happening in my QCoin account. As you all know, I started with $5,000 to challenge myself to go for a 1 Bitcoin overall at the end of the day. So we're standing on 7,000 currently. I've started with just over 0.14 Bitcoin and we're almost at 0.15. We're currently just short of it. So we're moving in the right direction. As you can see again, the last 7 days, $500 in Bitcoin, $20 in DOT, almost $50 in XRP, ETH 32 cents, BNB 0, and Cardano another $29. So now I'm going to compound all these funds into Bitcoin and then I'm going to update and compound one of the bots to make them stronger like I've been doing the last few weeks. So let's see, let's start with DOT. We'll sell all the DOT to Bitcoin. I'm going to sell all of them. Then I'm going to upgrade my oldest spare. And whatever is left, I'll switch to the QCoin coin. And the reason why I'll be doing that is due to the fact that when you have some of QCoin's own coin in your balance, you're saving on your fees. So whichever is left at the end of after starting the bot, it might be wise to switch it to QCoin. All right, DOT is done. That will come to 0 now. Let's go XRP. Sell the XRP as well. Sell everything back to Bitcoin. Start a bot and we'll let it run again. And let's see, how's this week gonna go? The last week was a decent week, a lot of uptrend, so the orders that was in low all caught up and made us some decent profits. Bitcoin, Cardano, with the smart contracts coming out for Cardano in the next month or so, it might be a good option to have some Cardano backed away, just for in case, because I do see a potential of this coin moving up even more. Just refresh, because we sold everything, so they should be going through. There we go, everything is through. So $613 in 1 week. Not too bad. The more volatile the market is, the more beneficial it is for us. All right, let's see. So my oldest pair currently is BNB BTC. So I'm going to stop BNB, close it. All right, we'll give it a few seconds, let it update. We go back here, we'll see the BNB and the Bitcoin will start increasing in value. In the available section, BNB is still, let's refresh it one more time. Right, BNB still, there's still a little bit in orders. Slowly but surely, it's canceling all my orders and bringing it back into play. Right, let's look at BNB. All right, we have nothing in orders with BNB. It means all the funds are available. And as you can see, my Bitcoin available balance went from 600 up to 1,500. Let's go back. As you can see currently, we've got our 4 pairs running. An easy tip that one of my subscribers gave me, and thank you for that. Click on spot trading. It gives you the bot that you just closed, and when you click on it, it will give you exactly the same grids and everything it was currently on. And all I'm now going to do, I'm going to use the maximum available balance I can. It uses 95% of your balance. We're going to trail it up, percentage is fine, 50 grids, and we're starting the bot again. As you can see, I don't have enough BNB due to the fact I added more Bitcoin to this grid, so it needs to update the BNB as well. So I've bought the BNB, the market order is placed. We'll give it a little bit of time for the bot to start. When we go back to the spot bots, there we go. And up top, we'll see it start placing the orders on our behalf. One grid after the other. Let me clear the screen for us. You can see them coming up. The green lines are your buy orders. If the market drops, it's buying BNB. And the red lines is selling the BNB for a profit. We'll let the bot start, and then we'll see how much funds we have left to buy some QCoin to cover our fees. There we go. BNB bot is started. Now we'll just go back to QCoin. We'll refresh. And let's see. We got $90 left. So let's search for QCoin. Yeah, the QCoin. We'll trade that against BTC. Let it run. Here we go. Into the page. And we'll say market. I'll buy 100% worth of whatever balance I have left. I'll buy some QCoin. Transaction through. It's been placed. And it went through instantly. When I go back, I should have QCoin available to cover my fees. We had a decent week of profit. Right, QCoin is still updating. Give it a second. There we go. My QCoin is in my balance. The rest are set more or less to 0. And another week to go. Leave me your comments and thoughts. Let me know what you think. How long is it going to take me to reach my goal of 1 Bitcoin while compounding all my profits weekly? Enjoy Bitsgap. Remember to have a demo account you can test out. And it's worth testing out and playing around with it. Have a great one. Take care.